Good morning. This will be a nice short video today. I have 3 shipments going out this morning. First shipment we have here is a 5-pack of CoverGirl brow pencils. This package is going out in a 6x10 bubble mailer. The package was under 4 ounces, so this package will be going out first class. Just going to seal up the bubble mailer and get rid of any extra space in the package so that the brow pencils are in there nice and snug. Place the label over the adhesive for some extra security. And that's it for that one. Next package we have here is a pack of 3 Revlon lipsticks. This package came in under 4 ounces, so I'm going to ship this out first class in a 4x8 bubble mailer. I will put the lipsticks in a plastic bag. It is pretty cool this time of year, so it's unlikely they will melt. So since it's going to Minnesota, very unlikely. And I just place the label right over the adhesive there. Fold down the edges. The label is quite a bit bigger than the 4x8 bubble mailer. Alright, that's it for that one. Alright, I just have one more shipment out today. A lot of one. A Secret Invisible Solid Anti-Perspirant Refill. I did get this from a wholesale liquidation lot. Since it's a deodorant, I'm going to go ahead and place it in a plastic bag in case of leakage. This package weighed under 4 ounces, so it's going out first class. I'm shipping it in a 6x10 bubble mailer. Folding it over to get rid of any space inside, and I place the label right over the adhesive. All right, here's my 3 packages for the day. Thank you for watching.